Hey guys, it's your girl Celia, and today I'll be cooking some Jamaican chicken back soup. Yes, that's right, chicken back. Now, this is the back of a chicken. I'm not sure if you guys get this in other countries, maybe only in Jamaica, I don't know, but you can use any other parts of the chicken. But today I'm going to show you how to cook Jamaican chicken back soup. And my main, I'll be using chicken back only. Jamaicans tend to use two or three different types of meats when cooking soup, depending on the type of soup they're cooking. But today I'm going to show you how to use the chicken back only. And use what you have at home. This channel is all about using what you have at home to make tasty dishes. So you don't have to go out of the way or anything like that. Yeah, man. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm going to show you how the chicken back looks before I clean it up, and then I'll pause the video because I'm going to be doing this alone. I don't have a cameraman today, so I'm going to be doing this alone. So I'm going to pause the video and then I'll show you step by step here and there and the finishing product. So yeah, be back with you in a while. Okay guys, so this is actually what my chicken back looks like. So this is about 1.5 pounds. So this will be the back of the chicken. Yep, this is what it looks like before I clean it up. So what I'll usually do is remove the skin here, clean up these yucky stuff inside, and cut it up into soup pieces, because you're cooking soup. You don't want your meat to be too big, right? And plus, you want to stretch it. You want it to share. Yep. Right. So this is about 1.5 pounds of chicken back, and I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. As I said, I don't have my cameraman today, so I'm going to have to be pausing the video while I do certain things that I cannot hold the video while I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead, clean this up, come back and show you my ingredients that I'm going to be using, and catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I want to point out a very important fact, well, important to me. This is the Dutch pot. Yep, I love cooking in Dutch pots. And I put my water on, and what I usually do is I add my meat and my other ingredients like my Irish potatoes, my pumpkin, my chochos and carrots, yeah, those stuff I had with the meat when the water started boiling, and then I'll add the other stuff when the meat has like cooked 3/4 of the way and so forth. So there's my water on, so I'll be back in a bit. Okay guys, so this is what my meat looks like when I finish cleaning it up. And what I've done is washed it with some lime juice. If you don't have lime juice, you can use vinegar. Either one is great. And now that my water is boiling, I am going to add this. See, I'm going to add this to it. Yeah. Okay guys, so here I have my carrots, my pumpkins, and my Irish potatoes. And I've diced these, and of course 2 cloves of garlic. And I've diced these up, as you can see. And I'm going to add them to my pot now. And I'll just give this a stir. Now, the carrots and pumpkin in the Irish does not only give the soup flavor, but the carrots and pumpkins are also for color. So this will make your soup nice and somewhat creamy and has that, pumpkin color that looks like, yeah, soup. So I'll cover this and I'll cover this and I'll let this boil and cook for a while, and then I'll knead my flour to make my dumplings, and I'm going to be making cornmeal dumplings. So this will not be plain flour dumpling. I'm going to be adding some cornmeal to the flour and make some cornmeal dumpling, which is more richer and more nutritious. And I'm going to be adding my yam and my cock soup and the other seasonings like scallion and thyme and salt to taste, and a little butter and some black pepper and a scotch bonnet pepper and a few pimento seeds, and that's it. So I'll be back with you guys in a while.